Cruising in the Millennium Falcon, Chewy, Han. Awesome day to be out here, man. Appreciate you letting me tag along. Take this thing up. Let's go check out the Ocoee Whitewater Center. Hey, don't mind me. I'm just going to sit back here and just relax and just enjoy the scenery.
Han Solo. I'm captain of the Millennium Falcon.
Hey, Chewy, I do have to ask you, man. How do Ewoks communicate over long distances? That's right. With Ewokee talkies. See what I did there? Ewokee talkies. Take another one for you. What do you call Chewbacca when he has chocolate stuck in his hair? A chocolate chip Wookiee. That's for you, my man. Whoa, what was that? Man, I gotta ask, why does this thing say, what was that? Was that an X-Wing fighter? What? Seriously. I gotta ask, why does this thing sound like a prop plane? And I do appreciate the bride, but I was kind of hoping we might be able to hit a little hyper light speed or something. But you know, cruising around's fine. Best views in the house. Spin her around. This is cool. I'm fine with this. Hey, I got one here that'll bring you to the 21st century. What do Jedi use to view PDF files? Adobe Wan Kenobi. Do you like that? Alright. One more. Which Star Wars character works at a restaurant? Come on, Han, I know you know this one.
This is ridiculous.
No, give up. Darth Vader. I killed myself.
Chewie, get us out of here!
What do you say we set this thing down? I'm getting a little bit hungry. Let's go grab some burgers. Fire up the grill, put on some burgers, and have some lunch. If you cruise over here on the left-hand side, spin her back around. Come on. Han, what are you doing? There's a parking lot to your left over here.
Han Solo. I'm captain of the Millennium Falcon.
This is your Millennium Falcon. You do whatever you want. If you want to put it on the sidewalk, that's fine with me. Have at it, Hoss. And looks like we are on the sidewalk. Fantastic. Anyhow, freaking awesome. Nice landing. Perfect.